Jai Shri Ram and Har Har Mahadev. Today, Indian Air Force Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules makes an emergency landing at Begumpet Airport after suffering a technical glitch relating to its landing gear. The aircraft has taken off from the Begumpet Airport at 1400 hours with 10 crew members and 2 pilots, and as soon after the takeoff, the aircraft started a holding pattern above the Hyderabad city and declared an emergency. The aircraft was orbiting for 2 hours 30 minutes in Begumpet airspace and burning fuel in the meantime for the purpose of the safe landing. The emergency vehicles like ambulance and fire brigade were on a high alert soon after the emergency was declared. The Indian Air Force has brought up the aircraft pushback vehicle and its maintenance engineers to treat the aircraft after it lands. After successful runway inspection by the ground operators, the aircraft landed smoothly without causing damage to the aircraft, ground, and its crew members. Salute to the Indian Air Force pilots, ground operators, and air traffic controller who managed to deal with the emergency very smoothly. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.